Finding the right mountain bike helmet can feel overwhelming, especially when safety is on the line. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, ILM Adult Bike Helmet. First up is the ILM Adult Bike Helmet, priced at $89.83. What caught my eye was the built-in USB rechargeable LED lights, a fantastic feature for night riders. If you want a helmet that ensures visibility and protection, this is worth a serious look. The one-piece structure combines EPS and PC shells, making it highly shock-resistant. Plus, it has 10 strategically placed vents to keep you cool during long rides, which is crucial when you're pushing hard on the trail. And with over 1,000 sold just last month, it's clearly popular. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit snug for larger heads. Here's the thing though, if you're on the border of sizes, going for the larger option should still give you a comfortable experience without compromising safety. This is perfect for you if you ride a lot at night or in urban areas. Skip this one if you prefer a helmet without any extra tech features. Honestly, for the price, you're getting great visibility and safety. Now, if the snug fit of the ILM helmet bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more universal design. Product number 2, Exclusky Bike Helmet. Next up is the Exclusky Bike Helmet, available for just $38.49. What jumped out at me was how lightweight it is, making it ideal for those long rides. If comfort is your top priority, this helmet deserves a spot on your list. Here's why this matters for you. Its design includes breathable inner pads and a specialized aerodynamic shape, which means you can keep cool while riding fast. The impact resistance is solid too, featuring tough PVC and PC materials which absorb shocks effectively in case of a crash. With 900 plus sold last month, it's clearly making waves. Now let's be real, some users found the visor a bit flimsy. But here's the thing, if you're not into downhill racing or extreme conditions, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. It still provides great value for casual rides. This is perfect for you if you're a commuter or just enjoy leisurely rides. Skip this one if you need a helmet for more extreme biking scenarios. For the price, you really can't go wrong with the comfort and safety features offered here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize safety. Product number 3, BATFOX Bike Helmet. Coming in third is the BATFOX Bike Helmet, retailing at $59.02. The first thing I noticed was its sleek design, which is both stylish and functional. If safety is your main concern without sacrificing comfort, this helmet could be just what you need. This helmet complies with both US CPSC and AUCE safety standards, which is crucial for your peace of mind. It features a polycarbonate outer shell combined with EPS foam, giving you maximum protection without the bulk. It also has 18 vents to keep you cool, which is especially important during those hot summer rides. Over 700 units sold last month shows that people trust this helmet. Now, I did notice a few users mentioned that it can feel heavier than other helmets. However, I found that the extra weight actually contributes to its sturdiness, making it a great choice for more rugged trails. This is perfect for you if you ride on varied terrains and need something that can handle it all. Skip this if you only ride on smooth paths or in the city. Honestly, the protection and ventilation you get here are worth the price. Now, if you want something even more advanced, the next helmet on my list might just blow you away. Product number 4, Giro Fixture II MIPS Blue. Next is the Giro Fixture II MIPS, priced at $96.19. What really stood out to me was its advanced MIPS technology designed to protect against rotational forces during a crash. If you want cutting-edge safety features, this helmet is a fantastic option. The integrated MIPS redirects energy in a crash, which is something you want to consider for your safety. The in-mold construction fuses the outer shell with impact-absorbing foam, making it lighter and better ventilated. With 400 plus sold last month, it's clearly a trusted choice among riders. However, some riders found the universal fit to be a bit off for smaller heads. But for most people, the adjustable fit system means you can still get a snug fit. This is perfect for you if you prioritize safety and comfort during long rides. Skip this one if you have a very small head and struggle to find a good fit. For the added safety features, I think it's well worth the investment. Now, while the Giro is a strong contender, the next product offers a similar quality with a different aesthetic. Product number 5, Giro Fixture II MIPS Red. Last on the list is another Giro Fixture II MIPS, but in a striking matte trim red, also for $96.19. The design is eye-catching, and the same advanced MIPS technology is packed into this version. If you want safety without sacrificing style, this helmet is a great pick. Just like its blue counterpart, this one also features the in-mold construction and adjustable fit system, giving you all the protective benefits while looking good on the trail. The reflective details enhance visibility at night, which is crucial if you ride after dark. With 200 plus sold last month, it's clear that riders are loving this model too. I did see some comments about the lack of color options, which may disappoint some. But honestly, if you like the red, it's a fantastic choice. This is ideal for you if you ride frequently and want a stylish yet functional helmet. Skip this if you're looking for multiple color options or very specific aesthetics. For the level of protection and visibility, it's a worthy investment. Now let's compare all these helmets. To recap, we have the ILM Adult Bike Helmet with excellent visibility, the comfortable and lightweight Exclusky, the rugged BATFOX, and 2 stylish Giro Fixture II MIPS helmets. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Giro Fixture II in blue because it balances safety and comfort perfectly. As for which one to avoid, I'd say skip the Exclusky if you're an extreme rider, as it may not meet your needs. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.